and use the variable by percentage a. So keep that thing in mind while in the interactive mode, while using the CMD directly. You need to keep this variable. This is a for loop variable, and this is a case sensitive variable, so small a would not work as the capital A. And you don't need to surround it by percentages. You just need to tell the for command that after the percentage we have the variable. So this is the percentage symbol, single percentage symbol inside the interactive mode of the CMD. So what now you need to do is just, hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from Bharat, and this is the third part of the video series for covering the basics of batch. So in this part we are going to talk about the for loop inside the batch programming or CMD. The for loop is the most annoying part and most difficult to understand part that most of the batch programmers, those are beginners, feel that way, because once I was a beginner and I couldn't understand what that for loop is or for command is for. And it whenever I try to understand code of some other great programmer, the for loop comes in between the knowledge and me. So what I'm trying to do today is I'm trying to make you understand about the for loop in the CMD. So in the CMD environment there is no traditional loops. So the for loop is a for command in real, and can take the help using the slash question mark, and it will tell you that the for command will run a specified command for each file in the set of files. So this is not a clear description of the command, but we'll know about it. And there are various switches /t /r and /f/l associated with the for. So we may talk about that later in the next video or in the current video if it will not go longer. So there are some things related to each parameter or each switch, and there are some special things you need to know and you need to keep in mind, and there you can use them inside the for loop. So there's a description and the special parameters and a lot of things. So you will know all these just in a while. So to use a simple for command, what you need to do is just keep a set of files or a set of statements. So let me see in which directory we are currently in. So let me print the current directory. Let me go to desktop, press tab, and again print the current directory. We are in the desktop. So a simple for loop or for command, I'll use the term loop instead of command. Just type for, just type for.
The variable by percentage a. So keep that thing in mind while in the interactive mode, while using the CMD directly. You need to keep this variable. This is a for loop variable, and this is a case sensitive variable. So small a would not work as the capital A. And you don't need to surround it by percentages. You just need to tell the for command that after the percentage we have the variable. So this is the percentage symbol, single percentage symbol inside the interactive mode of the CMD. So what now you need to do is just
You need to write in like a simple language, English language. Just write 1 2 3 4 5 and write do and brackets. Let us print all these values on the CMD console. So I'm going to print 1 to 5 on the CMD screen. Let's press enter, and you will see that it has printed 1 2 3 4 5 as we have given inside these brackets. So from here to here is the for loop, and when the loop is executing each time on all these values, the variable a will have these values one by one, and you are giving command and you are applying actions on each of them one by one. So these are not files right now. This is just a set of statements or characters. So we will not clear the screen for the sake of understanding. Just write 4. Again, percentage a in, can also surround it using the quotes. So let's say ABC. If your statement contains spaces, just surround it by quotes. ABCDEF and 1 2 3 space 4 5 6. So these are two sets now. If you will not surround them by double quotes, then the for loop will take these as 4 sets, but now these are 2 sets. So just do the same thing again. Do echo percentage a. So note that if I'll write percentage small a, it won't work. It will simply writing percentage small a. So percentage capital A is different from percentage small a. At enter, you will see that it has taken these things as 2 sets, and one set is printed first and then the second set is printed. So we don't want these codes. We have just written those for the sake of understanding. So if you want to remove these codes, just do the same thing. Just write a tilde here. Okay, I need to turn on the insert mode. Just write a tilde and press enter, and you will see that surrounding codes are gone. So that is how a simple for loop works, and we will talk about the special switches of for loop in a separate video, because this video is going to be long, I think. And let me clear the screen, and now let me clear one thing, that let's open for Notepad and create a batch file. Let me turn the echo off first. So @ will not show the command. You can use @ or without @, it's the same thing. Write the CLS, change the title to test, and you can write here for percentage a in. So note that I have written 2 percentage signs in front of the variable inside a batch file. But if I'm in the interactive mode, I don't need 2 batch percentage signs. So I'm not using double percentage here, but I'm using double percentage in the batch file. So I will try to do the same thing in the batch mode. So let's see if it will work. So in the end, I have to write pause, because if I won't write pause, the saved screen will come fast and will significantly go back and closes. So we won't notice anything. So to keep things simple, I'm pausing the console. Let's rename it as test.bat, or you can also rename it as test.cmd. I'll prefer the term bat because it signifies the name TheBATeam. So let's run the test file and you will see the same output 1 to 5. So keep that thing in mind. And another thing in CMD, if you, let's say in the dir there are many files and folders containing the name spaces, there are spaces. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to manipulate things, and I want to know all these names. So what I will do, I will open another CMD. So to keep that output on the console, I will clear the screen and I will write for slash, no, I will not use any switches. So let me use a switch /f. So here I'm going to use a token, TOKENS, token. And I'm back, and as you've seen, the video is going to 9 minutes, 10 minutes, and so I'll finish it here with the last trick, that if you want to execute multiple commands with just a single line of code, you'll need a for loop. Just write for percentage a in, let's say, md, then cd, then RD, again MD, then RD, then CD dot dot, then RD. So what you can do here is you will write all these commands and write a name folder named as ABC, and it's saying the system cannot find the file specified. Okay, I have given too much commands using the CMD. Okay, what I need to turn on the insert mode permanently. So here what percentage A will get replaced by first MD and then RD. So first we'll make a folder named ABC, and then let's write and timeout. Timeout command will stop the console for a specified number of seconds. We'll stop it for 5 seconds and we'll press enter. Okay, timeout is not okay, we just forgot to write that. Let me make it 10 seconds, and a folder named ABC is created on the desktop. So let me confirm that if a folder named ABC is there. Okay, we are in the C /users/kvc, and there must be a ABC folder. Yes, there is an ABC folder, and after 10 seconds it should be gone. So 10 seconds are over, it should be gone. Okay, the ABC folder is still here. Let me delete that. Open in another file. Okay, can't be deleted. I think we are in the ABC folder. Yep, we are in the ABC folder. So let me come out of the first folder. Then RDABC, and the ABC folder is gone. So let me apply the same command again, and this time let me reduce the time to 3 seconds. Insert mode, press enter. As you will see, ABC folder disappeared, and after 3 seconds and 1 2 3, the ABC folder is gone. So you have first made this folder and then remove the folder just using a single line of code. So that is what you can do with the power of for loop in the batch programs. You can do a lot of stuff using the for loop. For loop is very powerful tool. Know more about it in the next video. So I'll see you there. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe, and for any suggestions leave a comment, and do share this video. Bye bye. See you then.